All right. This is called a Massive. It's a Massive 2000. It's like an Edge.
What kind of that is Jeep?
See, it's got 4 gauge connections for the negative and positive. 8 gauge speaker inputs. Got the level, subsonic filter, low pass, bass boost. We hardly use the bass boost. That's the interesting right there. You got 10 volts all the way down to 0 volts. It's pretty good on the subsonic filter. 2,000 watts. The Massive Nano Edge. All right.
Like 132.
No. Skar EVL right here, y'all. 12. Going up in a single 12 box.
A little too small, but it's gonna work.
It's gonna be wired down to 2 ohms. Inside.
I'm about to give me some money for this shit. And there was 3 of them. One of them took off running.
There you go.
And then I took the other 2 with me.
Man, off.
You guys ain't going home till you pay me. I'll take PayPal, cash. So then I took them 7-Eleven over my Corby's, and dude went in there to use the whatchamacallit, the ATM. And, he was acting like he didn't remember how to enter his PIN. I was like, "Put the pedal and fucking do a burnout."
We're about to get the first cut on. The first turn on. Yep. He did
put Capri song on from yesterday.
He did a tune up and put a distributor box in the front of his car and all that type of stuff, and did a sound system. Like, this dude has been working.
Yo. What up? What's up?
Dude, what the fuck I do with this plastic piece right here? You see this plastic piece?
Oh, damn. Oh. Yeah, where the plastic see it's pointing inside. So that's how we're gonna have it right there. A Skar EVL 12, 112. I'm like, if I get me another car, that's why I might go with a setup of 112. 112 is not bad to have. Did you find it?
Man, I'm trying to find this plastic piece.
Yeah. Did you put it on the hood?
That would be funny. I don't think so, but you never know, right? It's almost like the only last option.
What's the address here?
526.
No.